So for the arcade game, I chose to play Frogger. Definitely played this a lot as a kid. Let's see. Alright, play game. Another objective is just to avoid objects, avoid cars. Ooh. Okay, so definitely the graphics for this is more 2D than anything. It's very simplistic. Definitely not like video games now where it's more into like 3D animation and it's very detail oriented. There's not really any characters besides just a frog trying to get across. Kind of reminds me a lot of games like Flappy Bird or Subway Surfer, even like Temple Run, where the objective is just to avoid objects and the goal is just to keep going. Really, the score depends on how far you get. So it's kind of like a never-ending game. It's just basically how far you go. Definitely a lot of games like that now. Oh. Oh, yeah. Game over. Guess it only gives you 3 tries. But yeah, everything is just simple. It's basically just avoiding cars. Trying to get on logs. Oh. Guess I didn't make it that far. Nope. But yeah, it just reminds me of games like now, like Cross Your Road, where it's basically the same thing. Just trying to get as far as you can in the game. Oh, there's... So, I didn't realize that you actually have more frogs. Thought it was just the one. Okay. Okay, that's pretty cool. So, yeah, so I would basically just say the graphics are definitely old, more into 2D. Characters really is just the frogs, any insects around. Scenarios, just trying to avoid cars, trying to get on logs. And again, it just reminds me of games now, like Subway Surfer, where your goal is just to get as far as you can. For this one, it seems though you're just trying to get as many frogs as you can across. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty different. Yeah.